everyone, welcome back and thanks for tuning in. So today I decided to look on the people who left them good, nice, clean self from Jamaica, come over here foreign so them come spend vacation 4, 5, 6 months. How you go? That never in night. I wish part you here so nobody get them the long vacation time there. Not even heads of states get so much time. You lucky if you can find one employer to sign up on 2 solid weeks for you. And I long up them mouth or a murmur. You understand me? So I don't know one of the sides so now go within the extended period of time there. Here what you can do, you say if you decide to go come vacate for so long, work up some money, then you come over here because you cannot expect to come over here come sit down on people. And people are topic inspire me and it pinch me to talk about it because I said this summer just done the 21st week, in a week you gone. And I say come like the 21st couldn't wait for come because a piece of cola box out the door. So I was just prompted to talk about this because you know so the holiday season now come up and all people are going to left and come over here for come sit down in the house and get cool. It can't work so. If you're coming over here, come with your money. If you come so long, I expect to go look at work. Vacation is 2, 3 weeks the most. You're lucky if you find somebody if you make it sit in your house for 1 month, 4, 5, 6 months. That never in night. You understand me? Somebody then come, they don't want to look no work. Me know say work hard for fine. Alright, nothing wrong with that. You gotta work a morning time and lay down in a bed, blanket cover face. You come back, you see them in a settee, sit down and watch TV with Doritos or Lay's potato chips in front of them. And mark, you know, I know them bite at your kitchen cupboard then go in at the same kitchen where you left the dirty plate them in the sink. That same kitchen where them go in and go see them something there and play blind to it. I know so it works. Some are lazy so. Some are not too lazy and abuse people and the privilege. You know, come over here and so people have to work hard over here. It's when I just come here, I used to see people on the road and some state and I used to think they're mad. But then mad people just don't have the time to care for themselves because they have to pay them bills. Foreign is all about bills, people. That is what foreign is for. God bless the few local people who have one bank account and can save. You understand me? So no one come sit down on people like when tick sit down on cow. It's not so it work. Go look at work or you come with your currency or help out because you come here and sit down so long. You contribute to the water, you contribute to the heat, you contribute to the usage of everything in the household. Why you don't feel like if you help contribute to the finances them too? Why you don't feel so? To the expenses, sorry. Why you don't feel like that? Someone on lazy, no come like one cat to me that have on him kitty. Me say the cat lazy, me say I left the rat go up on the cat nose, the cat now catch it to how it lazy. And then laziness, there's someone who come with no package with laziness and craving too. Cause food cooks so when you get up and run God in a pot. Auntie Sheila, you done cook and just in the pot so. Cause you know so find people not really crave over food. This is one place where, trust me, you come and find and people cook them and send in a pot. And something not go on a yard. Whoever cook a yard, I share that food. They find people so tired and lazy. Then cook food and a busy with food so you go eat. When you come and you want to abuse everything. And then at the end of the week, you know, I can look for people for go no 20 or 130. Not so long. If you can spend 2, 3 weeks with me, will help you out if me I work. But you're not going to sit down 6 months for me. No, it can't work. No landlord now sit down and get nobody no free rent or nothing. So make you feel safe going to sit down 6 months and say I visit. Remember I'm telling you, visiting period at 3 weeks. And if you can't find a family member to give you 1 month, you is very lucky. So that 5, 6 months yeah, it now play in the night. So now if you understand yourself, the Christmas season now come up and someone down there plan merrily if you come have a Merry Christmas for people. When people are going to work, when you lay down in bed and sit in a warm house and people are fair go to the snow, I turn up all bus stop. When you see bus come here, so feel good. So the bus come and look, you see next bus please are not in service. That come like a killer. The whole of your vibes broke down up all train station. You see trainer come, not in service, or take the next train, or look here now. Look here now. You see, if you have it planned in your merry little mind, if you come have a Merry Christmas, take it out. Unless me say, if 3 weeks, 2 weeks. That 3 weeks too long. You understand me? 2 weeks. If you come for 2 weeks, nothing wrong with that. And when you come, but come with the too long and come and look at frozen ackee too, look at breadfruit, because there's something there in the supermarket. All $10 for one breadfruit. So you know who not really eat breadfruit. One thing ackee $7, you know who not really eat ackee. You understand things that will not really trouble them because the price too troubling. No come over here, come sit down and people, it is not nice. And some people now go talk up because they must say they have family and so. But you know come with a conscience, you understand? Come with no money if you not come for so long and come with a conscience. Just know so I got there the people in here that I go use up things so more contribute to it. Nobody come sit down upon people so. It's not a nice feeling and some people now go running out like I'm so outspoken me we talk. I mean I long up my mouth in my house and I make nobody feel uncomfortable when I talk. So if when me talk you want to feel uncomfortable like your business. If me I come out go look work, yeah come out go look work to area help out. Anyways, I eat that. So thank you guys for tuning in. Like the video, share, subscribe, and me a big one. Don't just comment now, but like the little comment them a come in, but I want some more. Cause I know some people are feel it, and some people soon feel it, and some people don't they plan to come up here and do something, but it not going to work. Not in this cabinet. So until next time, this is Chrissy saying peace. Bye.